Come on. Tucker, Mona. Old family red nose right here. My Mayday bitch. Off from Chainsaws. Matrix line. Just having some fun doing what Bulldogs do. Come on, Mona. Come on, girl. These two wrestle all damn day long, man. All day. They've been going at it probably for about a good 25 minutes right now. Non-stop. I have to break their ass up every now and then, though, just to make them behave. He knows she a baby, though. He really took a liking to her at first, man. He didn't like her at all, man. I thought I was gonna have to get rid of her because he act like he wanted to kill her, man, every time he seen her. But I don't know. One day he just warmed up. It was Thanksgiving. He ended up warming up to her. And shit, they've been best friends ever since. But look at that. He'll stop, sniff her up. He knows. But yeah. I don't gotta do nothing to keep this girl in shape. She was wrestling with his ass all day. She just build muscle. But yeah, just doing what Bulldogs love to do. Hey, get out of there.